expressway merge. This is Driving with the Miles. Hi, how are all of you doing? I am a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I prep teens and adults to take the road test. So we're going to discuss some of the driving fundamentals to pass your DMV test. So I'm getting ready to merge onto the expressway. I want to look over my left shoulder, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I have great speed control, but we need to be extremely careful. We're going to come into a cloverleaf. A cloverleaf is designed, it's a really sharp curve. So what I need you all to do is reduce your speed coming in. So the speed limit says 25 on the ramp. I definitely want to slow down to 25 because centrifugal force will pull me to the outside. So we have our chevron alignment signs. And I want to reduce my speed because if I go too fast, I will lose control. The chevron alignment signs tell me there's a really sharp curve. I want to go in smoothly. I don't want to overturn the wheel. We have our edge line to the right, which is white, and our warning sign to the left, which is yellow. So I'm checking traffic. Also, the sun is a hazard, so I want to turn on my left blinker, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I want to pop that gas, and literally I want to try to catch the cars, look over my shoulder, and accelerate out. That was a pretty good merge. I'm at about 60 miles an hour. The speed limit is 70. For teaching purposes, we're going to go down 1 mile. We're going to get on a cloverleaf and come back, and then I'm going to demonstrate this. I'm at about 65 miles an hour. We have our broken white line, which tells us we can make lane changes to the left if we need to. I have my edge line to the right, so I'm going to continue to maintain my speed. I'm at about 60 miles an hour. The right lane is for slow-moving traffic. On your DMV test, they'll have you in the right lane. You'll get off at about 1 mile. They want to see you merge, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. So I'm maintaining great speed. I'm taking my time. Also, a lot of beginning drivers want to stay around near semi-trucks. You do not want to hang around trucks. So I'm maintaining good speed control, but I'm going to show you what could happen if you look down. You literally go off the road. Oh my God, that was so scary. There was a dead fox there. I don't think you saw it. But that noise is when I looked over to the right. So that would have been a deduction in points. So I'm maintaining great speed control. I'm taking my time. You want to get in the lane early. So our exit is coming up. So your DMV tester, road tester wants to see you turning on your blinker early. So my blinker's on. I'm off the gas. I'm gradually slowing down, taking my time. And I want to stay to the left. This is a very confusing ramp, so I often like taking students here to really see if they're aware. So I'm turning on my left turn signal because I want to stay to the left and take my time. So I'm off the gas, I'm going slow. I want to be to the inside left lane. This is a double left turn lane, and the far lane all the way over to my right is for rights only. So I have green turning arrows. I have the sun killing my eyes, so you might want to wear sunglasses. I look to my right because cars could definitely run their light. My left blinker's back on. I'm literally going to be merging back onto the expressway. So I stay to the left. And again, not to try to confuse drivers, here's my acceleration ramp. And then they have a yield, so pray that they yield. They did. Then I accelerate up to speed. I'm at 40 now. I'm at about 45. I'm looking over my left shoulder. I'm accelerating up to speed. That's a pretty good merge out, really smooth and seamless. That was a beautiful merge. I killed my blinker. I maintained my speed. So that was a pretty good merge. So I'm back up to about 65 miles an hour, taking my time. That was a great merge. So I'm going to continue on with that great speed control. And I want to keep my speed up. So I'm looking ahead, I'm not turning the wheel, and I'm aiming high. So I want to have great speed control, continue to work hard. So I'm going to go ahead and get over 1 lane to the left. So it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I'm in the middle lane now, so my speed control is a little bit higher. I'm still within the speed limit, so I'm good. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm taking my time. I'm not overturning the wheel. A lot of beginning drivers and on their DMV test, they will turn the wheel too much, literally hugging the right or hugging the left. So that's something I definitely do not want to do. So I see the truck ahead of me, so I'm lifting my foot a little bit. and I want to share this with you. A lot of beginning drivers stay and hang around cars. Don't hang around cars. Don't hang around trucks in the blind spot. I'm checking my mirrors. I see cars traveling at about 75 to 80 miles an hour. You saw that car flew past me. On your DMV test, if you speed, you will have a deduction in points and it could be automatic failure. I'm maintaining speed. Also, I'm going to get over to right for teaching purposes. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. As you can tell, the white van did not have a blinker on, so that would be a deduction in points. So I'm maintaining my speed, I'm taking my time, and I'm lifting my foot because they're going at a much slower speed, which is allowed in the right lane. I'm at about 55 miles an hour. So I'm maintaining speed, I'm taking my time. I am not overturning the wheel. Do not overturn the wheel. Again, a lot of beginning drivers look to the right, they drift, and literally what's gonna happen, they drift off the road. Oh my God, that is so scary. So that's literally us going off the road. That will be a deduction in points. Now I have a semi-truck behind me that's going about 65 miles an hour. So I'm maintaining safe speed. I'm looking ahead. I'm taking my time. Also, a lot of beginning drivers will drift to the left. So if I drift to the left, it's actually like I'm almost gonna hit the truck, but I don't wanna do that. So I'm maintaining speed. I'm being safe. I'm being consistent. If you find this of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to Driving with Miles. I want to bring you great content, and the feedback has been outstanding. If you don't know, I'm on TikTok. I'm at @thefunny_guy2. So I'm going to go ahead and get off at this exit. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I have over 164,000 followers and 3.3 million likes. So now this is the DXL. So I'm on the brakes really smooth. My speed is about 30 miles an hour. I want to stay to the left. On your DMV test, they will give you specific directions. So you need to know what lane you're going to be into. This left is a double left. The right is a double right. I'm in the inside left. So I'm going to come down and have a smooth, nice stop and stop behind the stop line. You can see the turning arrow. I will be in the inside lane by the double yellow. If you turn in the wrong lane, you will get marked down. So I'm looking, checking traffic, taking my time. The road tester, DMV tester may ask you a question. You need to be aware of this. I'm scanning, I'm looking, I'm checking my mirror to make sure cars and trucks actually slow down. I do not want to get rear-ended. So I'm taking my time, I'm looking, I'm being patient, and then I know eventually this light will change. So you always have to look and be patient. So I'm continuing to look, always looking in my mirrors. Cars do run lights, and it's super important that you look and you're active. You can't be in a trance. You want to be relaxed. You want to be patient with yourself. And a good DMV tester, a good road tester, good instructors will make you feel comfortable, will make you smile. And remember, you're learning a skill. We all want to teach and prepare the next generation drivers. So this is super important that you have balance, that you have peace, and that you feel fulfilled. So once the light turns green, we're going to make our left-hand turn. And then we're going to stay in the appropriate lane. Your DMV tester, road tester will take you on a prescribed route. Now, we're in the pandemic, so we could end up reducing the route a little bit. You have to have certain barriers on, a mask on. The car has to be sanitized, so all those things are important. And it varies from state to state or province to province. So that is super important. So you always have to be aware. And you want to make provisions. You want to make sure your car, so my light's green, I look left and right. I'm looking by the yellow. A lot of beginning drivers will be scared to make this turn, but I hit my turn correctly, and then I'm accelerating. What I'm going to do is continue to show you how to merge back on the expressway. So I'm maintaining my speed. I see the truck ahead of me. I'm going to take my time and not get on top of the truck. So I'm going to slow down and just be patient. And I'm going to give you some bonus footage because this is important. So I turn on my left-hand turn signal. I want to get to the inside lane. and that's what I'm going to do. The truck doesn't have on the blinker, so I'm kind of confused. So a lot of beginning drivers would stay. So what I'm going to do is get out of the truck spot. I'm going to let the truck go ahead of me because they make wide turns. And then I'm going to let them go ahead and accelerate. I'm being very courteous to my truck driver. And that's why he thanked me, because he flashed the lights. And that's what you're supposed to do, is be courteous. Thank you very much. I love you. More content coming soon.